Place the instrument on a level surface. Connect the control cable. Connect the temperature sensor. Connect the inlet and outlet water quick couplings. Plug in the power cord and switch on the power. Log into the system. Raise the head unit. Add purified water up to the max line. Place dissolution vessels into the corresponding positions. Insert and secure the replenishment beaker. Install the paddles and locking nuts. Lower the head unit after installation. Use the spherical height gauge to adjust paddle height. Tighten the locking nut to secure the paddle. Add medium into the vessels and replenishment beaker. Cover with the anti-evaporation lids. Enter sample information. Set parameters: rotation, speed, direction, sampling points, and temperature. Turn on heating. Insert the sampling cannulas. Adjust height and fix in place. Once preset temperature is reached, place tablets into vessels. Click Start to begin the test. At each sampling point, the buzzer will sound. Collect samples. Replenish medium as required. At the end of the test, select sample information and save the record. Access data management to review results. Export or print required records via USB. Remove all vessels paddles and sampling cannulas. Clean thoroughly and store properly. Switch off the power.